In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci retracement settings to find the golden zone using Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, Fibonacci retracement can be a powerful tool to identify potential support and resistance levels on your charts. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set up and use this tool effectively. First, you need to head over to the Tradingview website. If you haven't already, create and log into your account to access the full features of this robust online platform. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Tradingview homepage. From here, you'll want to focus on accessing their comprehensive charting tool, often referred to as supercharts. Navigate through to find this feature and click to open your charting canvas. With supercharts open, your next step is to locate the Fibonacci menu. This is where you'll find various technical analysis tools, including the Fibonacci retracement. Typically, this menu can be accessed from the left sidebar, where you'll see an icon resembling a diagonal line with extensions. A click on this icon will reveal several options, and you'll want to select the Fib retracement tool. After selecting Fib retracement, you're ready to apply it to your chart. Click on the point of the chart where you wish to start the retracement. Usually, traders choose a significant high or low point in the price action. Once clicked, you'll drag your mouse to another key point, generally the opposite high or low, and release. This action overlays the Fibonacci levels onto your chart, displaying the retracement zones. Now it's time to adjust your settings. Right-click on the Fibonacci retracement you've plotted and select the Settings option. This is crucial as you tailor the Fibonacci lines to suit your specific trading strategy. In the Settings menu, click on the Style tab. Here, you'll see a series of checkboxes corresponding to various Fibonacci levels. Your focus should be on simplifying the display. Uncheck all the boxes on the right side, as well as the first two on the left. This action will refine your chart, allowing you to highlight the important golden zone levels better. Finally, with your settings adjusted to clearly show the golden zone, commonly the 38.2%, 50 and 61.8% retracement levels, you're all set. Click OK to save your changes and observe how these Fibonacci levels align with historical price movements on your chart. Many traders use these areas to anticipate potential market reversals or continuations, making them a key aspect of technical analysis. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up Fibonacci retracement in Tradingview for identifying the golden zone. By mastering this technique, you can enhance your trading decisions and better understand market movements. Happy trading!